to it. 89.08 for Brent. So Brent leading the competition. This is our competition finals now, or finals or heats, whatever you want to call it. They all made it through to the finals. 89.08 is what the benchmark is. And Sam has managed an 89.33, so if he manages that again, he's going to take the lead.